Right then. What's here?
Does it say
No,
include your...
at the top.
Nice. Top of the party, it will
Ooh.
say... I got
I got a
AKM.
double barrel shotgun.
Oh, why have I just done that hard? Do you actually? Just to include your audio, I don't think you do. I don't think that's true.
Wait, there was a guy here, guys. There's a guy. I heard him.
Okay. Rubber bang. Toby, I've got a vertical for you. Vertical grip.
Hang on, hang on. Quiet a
Oh,
second,
you've
I need to
been
this guy. I think he's done one.
I left a vertical grip in the doorway.
Oh, fuck me.
Yeah, Toby, can you not grenade us, by the way? Oh, hello. Yeah, I'm gonna put you ready.
They oppose the Russian soldier. I don't even know what I'm saying anymore.
That is so hard.
556.
They're way too slow. Oh, I'm getting shot. Oh, I just
Oh,
got
he's...
shot. I just lit him. Oh,
Why,
wow,
did you
that's
hear
a
that pea
lot
shooter
of
then?
damage. I was getting shot up in the car. I've got one. So I've got one. Oh, thank God. I should accidentally fueled up by the buggy or something. Stab you.
Alive and we've seen nobody.
Dead game right now.
Wait, Toby, didn't we?
Well, I've seen one guy, but in miles away.
What? Oh, sick.
Wait, is that how much you got fueled up? I'm gonna stay in the buggy.
Oh, that's brilliant.
Just in case.
How much fuel did it have on the gun?
He left by...
At least you're not using the boost, are you? What about this? Even though it's not. See, if it was in the zone, it would have been perfect.
We should just get, Oh yeah, I'll have the ammo.
Oh, flash hider
Shot by
for
16.
AR, if anyone wants. And an energy drink I'll drop from them. Okay, no worries.
Oh, M16. Oh, I'm
A level 2
tempted to go
backpack.
for the M16. I'm gonna drop this AK for the M16. Okay, I trust you on that. I do
Extended
this.
quick draw. Yeah, boy. Oh, Bobby 107, come here.
Oh, what?
Ready?
Yeah, we need
Ben.
to. Yeah,
Ben, get out
there's
of the car and come take this.
What? Oh. Oh, thank you, danger person.
That'll put you back up to full.
Can we get in?
Take
Can we
one
go?
more.
Toby, you're the driver. Get in. We're better off. Drive.
Yeah, boy.
Alright, go to the right side. Go to the right side by the tree coverage. Don't want to get out.
Which tree coverage?
The trees right in front of us. Yeah,
We're gonna die. What? Yeah, our game's about to finish. There's a motorbike, there's definitely someone here.
No, there's
I
a
don't feel so
buggy
safe.
Guys, get out, get out, get out.
I feel safe now. Knocked one. Got him.
Over there.
They're all dead. They're all dead. They're all dead.
Wait,
They're
I
shooting at
just...
people though. No, where are
I've
the
got
people
like
they
no
were
ammo
shooting at
for this.
first?
Yeah, I need some... I need some 7 point...
Wait,
Yeah,
Is
I
that
need
another
7.62.
there's another guy. Further,
Nah, it's the body, it's the body.
like 130. Running.
I need some
Should be
ammo.
a real life
I need
person,
7.62 desperately.
Can I take 556 please?
Okay.
Hollow. So I'll take the hollow. Ooh, cock. I thought the game was about to lag out.
2 times. Hill at like any dead grounds is cover.
With cover in it. Sure.
Does anyone have eyes on this?
Thinking I can Kobe. Oh, next player is here. People coming from the plains to the north. Toby, you're exposing yourself there to lots of other people. There. Wait. Where's t'other man looking at?
I was just popping a tyre on a buggy. So
Where is, how far away is he, Toby?
drive.
Toby. Oh, I see them, just coming in the zone.
Can't see him.
Oh, both of them.
Knocked.
Crawl, crawl, crawl.
I knocked the guy who killed you, son.
Oh, there's one pushing around the left.
Yeah, Daki to our right, Daki to our north. Right, close to us. No, I got...
Killed him. Hang on, let's mute myself.
Knocked one. Got 3, nice.
He just threw a oh, there's someone 325 just come across the road. We need to get Toby there. Oh, there's someone crawling. 275. Hit
Oh, I'm
one.
in the zone. No, that does so much damage.
Dead? He's gotta be dead.
Okay, got the guy who lay down. Lay down.
Cool.
Can you give us a number?
Is he behind the rock?
Guys,
Yes,
it's
I'll be
just,
down in a
it's
minute.
just us.
He's moved. Quickly, 2.5 seconds, he's moved. Tree 325. He's just peeking the left. Hit once. Saw blue come up.
Got him.
Yeah!
Nice.
Got 2.